Hello, it's Nicole McIntosh here, your Good News Jamaica correspondent. It's International Nurses Day, and I thought I would stop to just say Happy Nurses Day to all the wonderful nurses all over the world who are doing such an amazing job. The world would not be the same without you. We are grateful to have nurses. I am a nurse, I'm a proud nurse, and I stand proudly with all the nurses across the world on International Nurses Day. But one reason why I'm even more proud is the fact that Jamaican nurses continue to be trailblazers all over the world. And one of the most famous Jamaican nurses of all time has to be Mary Seacole. Do you know a centre in England at Headley Court Hospital has been renamed in honour of Mary Seacole? It's called the NHS Seacole Centre. How amazing is that? Our very own Jamaican nurse pioneer is rightly being honoured for all the wonderful work she did in the Crimean War. You know, it really goes to show that the work of black and minority ethnic nurses in the NHS and across the world is being recognised. And today, we are so proud, we are so happy to know that in the NHS today, there are many, many Jamaican nurses who are contributing. There are Jamaican nurses all over the world. You know, we are pioneers. So we thank you, nurses all over the world, and we really want to know if you could tell us how Jamaican nurses have touched your life. We are a special breed. We are proud to be nurses. We are the compassionate warriors, and we want to know what difference it has made to your life when you've been cared for by a Jamaican nurse. So let's celebrate the success of Mary Seacole, and it's the first of many. There will be other centres, other news coming up about Mary Seacole receiving the honour that she rightly deserves. So stay tuned to Good News Jamaica. Leave a comment down below in the article that I'm writing. It's going to accompany this video, and I want you to tell us what you think about the article. Leave a comment, share with a friend, say well done to a nurse, especially if it's a Jamaican nurse. Until next time, take care.